Hi, my name is Carrie.
My name is Emilia.
Hi, my name is Vanessa.
For me, I'm very curious about how visual effect works, like how can they blend art and technology so seamlessly. Once I started to explore the software and the skills that they use behind it, I just love how digital media can actually opens up the world of immersive and interactive experience. And you can do so much creative thing with it. It will never get boring.
So I actually also love and want to try to experiment out and discover the creative ideas in my mind through all sorts of new visual effects and new media technologies. I want to bring these ideas into life.
What made me join this course was a projection mapping competition video. So it really caught my attention on how technology can use to create such a digital artwork. It was scary at the beginning. I've never used most of the software before, and I'm afraid that I was missing something or falling behind others. And I had zero experience. So everything from learning the tools to developing creativity thinkings is feel very challenging, and sometimes I even get stuck on ideas.
At Dasein, we are actually also encouraged to challenge ourselves and think outside of the box. So I also really appreciated our lecturers who really supports our unique ideas and way of thinking.
And recently, I'm also very interested in how AI can help us in design and storytelling. At the same time, I'm also very passionate about UI/UX design, where I can create meaningful and user-friendly web experience. I'll picture my career to go into the directions where I can keep blending technologies and creativity to bring up new and exciting digital experience. Of course, I know there's still a lot for me to learn, but I'm very happy on how far that I have come.
I'm also working on a big solo project where I'm combining different media and techniques to create a motion graphic animation. I'm also taking it a step further by combining projection mapping and an interactive infrared system for a real-time interaction with the audience. So this kind of project, it really shows the strength of digital media student being able to combine different technologies to create something meaningful and engaging.
So it's normal that everyone will face challenges. So the key point is you have to keep exploring, and also you have to watch more showcases and also gain inspiration from different sources. And also, don't worry to ask questions, whether it's your friends or even your lecturers, because there's nothing wrong that you want to seeking for help or also wanting to learn more. With proper guidance and mentorship, you can discover hidden talents.
With the right support and practice, you can turn curiosity into strength.
Creativity thrives when you dare to experiment.
Follow your passion today.